Samsung unpacked to announce the Galaxy S23 is set to take place in this year. Ahead of the official announcement, the Samsung website has confirmed the date of Samsung Unpacked. The rumor mills claimed that the series S23 will be launched later in February, but Samsung's official Colombia website has revealed that the new series will be announced by February 1st. The website does not reveal much about the design of the upcoming phones, but teaser features three main cameras, leaves and lilacs in the corner, which could be hinting at the color variant of the device. Even though Samsung has kept the design under wraps, the renders of the phone have been leaked multiple times on the internet. From what looks like, there want to be a major overhaul in the design of Galaxy S23, as it looks pretty similar to the design of the Galaxy S22. A tipster who goes by the name Snoopy Tech had posted the official leak of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra, the two phones that the company is expected to launch. The smartphones have been leaked in colors including cotton flower, misty lilac, botanic green, and phantom black. While the design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is out of the bag, the specs have not been completely leaked. The one rumor that has been floating in the air is about the camera of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone, as per multiple reports, is expected to feature a 200 megapixel primary camera. In terms of the specification, both the models are rumors of features Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2, which is built on the 4nm fabrication process by TSMC. The powerful processor most certainly boosts the overall CPU and GPU performance of the smartphone. In condition, the Galaxy S23 regular models may not get a huge update in terms of RAM. They are reported to feature only 8GB RAM options, like its processors, the Galaxy S22. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra might get to see a 128GB variant along with 1TB of storage. As far as the battery is concerned, of the Galaxy S23 regular models are expected to get a minor bump over its predecessors. However, the battery of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessors, the Galaxy S22 Ultra.